Good morning, Lucky. So everyone is looking really good this morning. The only thing I see is that the goat's butt is really dirty. Like really, really dirty. Lucky, you have a really dirty butt. So Mama, you need to be cleaning that bottom. She licks her a lot, but
maybe she hasn't gotten used to licking up the poop because it's sure yucky.
So we'll clean off the baby's bottom. Hey, good job, Mama.
Like she was like comforting her, like it's okay, they're our friends.
Lots of poop on that butt, though.
And right here, and over there, and all over the ground.
That's good. That means that the baby is nursing when we see lots of good poop. That first poop is going to be yellow because the baby's drinking colostrum. So that was a good sign that she is getting plenty to eat. Livestock, goats, cows, sheep, whatever, if they don't get colostrum within the first hour or so, will get really sick and most likely won't even live. So colostrum is super duper important for all baby animals, including humans. So the things I'm going to do this morning, I'm going to milk out Mama. Her udder is lopsided where the baby's really just nursing on one side. I'm going to take her temperature since I had to go in and pull the baby. That introduces bacteria into the uterus and she could get sick. I need to give her wormer because anytime a goat is stressed, you need to worm them because their worm load will increase. Yeah, so let's go. Let's go get this done. I got Raven. All right, you lead the way. Mama will follow baby.
She's like, what just happened?
Come on.
She's like, where am I?
Here's your baby. I know. Grab the baby, Joy.
This one?
Yep.
There's only one.
Because I always say that about Wilder.
What happened to put the baby up here? See, I put the baby right here.
Yeah, good job.
Her heart's beating really fast.
Yeah, it's a baby. Baby's heart's beating fast. Okay, here is your wormer. Lucky. She won't need it, I don't think. Here's your minerals.
Or just sticking that up her butt? Yeah. Yikes.
Just take a look at her for now. Do you hear how stressed Raven is about it? Yeah, she has.
How she pooped?
Yeah, there's poop all over her butt. You gonna help me wash it off?
Yeah.
Okay, in a little bit. Okay, we're not gonna do it right now.
Yeah, don't touch her poop. No. Mom, this
You
one
can
is
see,
big.
yeah, you can see how lopsided it is. From baby just nursing on one side, it's very full. So we're gonna nurse it out. So we've been working with her for months. We're about to find out how well our training has gone.
You need some practice too.
And I missed the bucket. She's doing so good, she's standing totally still.
I'll take a turn.
Not today.
I don't have.
I know, we're not gonna do it today though. Let's get her into a good rhythm. So we'll do a little more and we'll save the colostrum for another baby if they need it. Kitty, what do you think about that, Kitty? Oh, Kitty knows there's milk happening. You remember that.
Yeah, because usually we'll give it some. Okay.
Your mama needs to wipe your butt. I remember when this kind of thing used to totally gross me out. I'm about to let her out of there, but I just think it's so sweet because the other goats are wondering what is going on. They haven't left this door. I know, you're wondering what's going on with Raven.
Let the other goats in here so they can say hi through the fence.
Okay. Moonbeam is very interested.
She's like,
Hello.
what is that?
Say hello.
That's your new cousin. No, she's an aunt now.
Look, they're smelling her.
She's an aunt now.
Oh, look, they're all saying hi to Raven through the fence. We're gonna take them outside for a little fresh air and get Mama some nice grass.
Trying to keep up. Oh, she's nursing. She headbutted to get
I know.
milk out. Ow.
Look at the sides of her ears all speckled. So pretty.
I want to.
You are a good mama. She just stands there and lets her eat. What a good
She
mama.
wants to eat grass.
Yep, she wants to go explore and she's still just standing there for the baby. Okay, well I'm gonna head up to the house and let them finish their walk. It's been a great morning on the homestead. We'll see you guys in the next video.